So we are here at the Ganol catchment area, and we had visited some of the catchment areas in Shillong. It's a continuation of that, and today we are here in the Ganol catchment area. And the idea is very simple. We had a stakeholder-based meeting where, apart from the government departments, we have the Nokmas and the traditional heads and the local villagers also here with us. And in their presence, we had discussed about important programs like the PES, and discussed on how we should be able to take forward this entire process of working with the community, and discussed about providing livelihood opportunities to our people here, so that their dependence on the forest is reduced, and we are able to protect our forest and protect our catchment areas. So this is a meeting where we are coordinating with the community and working on ways on how we can protect our catchment area. And it was a very positive meeting. Almost all the Nokmas and heads from all around the catchment area have participated, and it was an interactive program, and they have given their valuable suggestions.